Guys, this is day 12 of 20 Days to STAAR. Question number 1. A rectangular aquarium tank is 10 meters long, 5 meters wide, and 3 meters deep. What is B? So we're going to label the 10 meters long, 5 meters wide, and 3 meters deep. And we're going to figure out what is B. First of all, we got to know what B is for us to tell what it is. And capital B, it stands for the area of the base. And our base is a rectangle that's 10 meters long and 5 meters wide. So the area is 10 times 5, which is 50. Okay? So 50 square meters is the area of the base. Okay, the second question, what's the difference between the simple and compound interest if you invest a principal of $300 for 1 year at a rate of 6%? So both of the formulas are written down here. I got those off of the math chart. The simple interest is equal to the principal times the rate times the amount of time. And then compound interest is the amount in the account equals the principal times 1 plus the rate to the t power. Okay? So both of these rates, that 6% is going to have to be changed to the decimal. And we're going to substitute those into the formula. So the principal is 300. We're going to multiply that times the rate, which is 0.06. And we're going to multiply that times the time, which is 1. So if you multiply 300 times 0.06, you get 18. And then the amount in the account is equal to the principal, which is 300, times 1 plus the rate would be 1.06. To the 1 power. And then okay, so if we multiply 300 times 1.06, if you do that multiplication, you end up with 318. So the amount in the account at the end of that year is $318. If we subtract the principal from that, that means that the amount of interest that is earned in this compound interest account after a year is also $18. Okay, so going back to the question, it asked you what is the difference between them? Well, there is no difference. The simple interest earns you $18. The compound interest earns you $18. So our difference is none. So we can put $0 of difference. Now I want y'all to know that if this had been 2 years, the amount of compound interest would have been more than the amount of simple interest. It's only at 1 year that simple interest and compound interest are the same amount. After that point, it starts to gain more money in a compound interest account because it pays interest on the interest and the principal. Okay? So moving on to number 3. Number 3 was kind of a wonky question. It asked us, students in a research class went to the mall and found that the mean age was 25 years old. Okay? Based on the observation, which of the following is most likely? Is it the first one, the mean age of all the people was 25 years old? About a third of the people who went to the mall were more than 41. The mean age of all the people who went to the mall would be an interval around 25 years old, or between 23 and 27. And then the median age was 25 years old as well. So